What's up, guys? We are here at the Redwood City Marina. There's a car show from the NFL Alumni, and the players or the Alumni players gonna vote the best car. So check it out. It's gonna be a pretty good video. Hope you guys like. Let's check out some cars.
Best custom modified. A beautiful red mobile on here at the end. Can you step up forward? Is the best exotic. That is that green Lamborghini that's standing there. today is because in life there's tragedies, there's people that fight in life, there's people that never give up. They just keep going on for whatever's happened in their life. And today, we're here to give a kid award from Ronald McDonald House that had leukemia cancer at 17 years old. And he fought his ass off. This award is dear to my heart. I've been battling cancer for 12 years. I've had 12 different surgeries. On behalf of the NFL alumni that supports me, we are giving an award today to a gentleman from the Ronald McDonald House. So we want to honor Samuel today. Samuel, this is yours. And we want to thank you for coming out. And every car in here, every car in this that's in this parking lot deserves this award. Believe it or to me, all you guys do. You're not only the best to show, but the best to show up to support what we do for kids. Well, to me, that's everybody here should get that award. So even though it's only one award, you guys all get that award today. How was that?
Awesome.
Last chance, okay, you guys, like I said, this is not going to be the last one. So please stay tuned for next year. Spread the word next time you see this event flyer going out so we can make a difference.